It's Leila from Tula Pink Journey. I'm just opening up a new iron. It's the Oliso Tula Pink M3Pro project iron. I'm just taking it out of the box, and there's all the little stuff in it. Cute little box that it came in. There it is. Please don't feed the fish. It is the Oliso M3Pro project iron for Tula Pink. And you know Tula Pink has the most beautiful colors. And it has a nice little sole plate on it. It fits perfectly in there. I'll see what the instructions tell us to do. On the box it just says to remove the sole plate, fill it unplugged, plug it in, switch it on. All right, and iron. So let's go ahead and go around here to the plug. 4 steps to start. 4 simple steps to start is what it says. So first of all, it says step 1 is to remove the sole plate. I removed the sole plate. Let's put it to the side. Fill unplugged. Open the water tank cover and fill with tap water to the max level. So open the water tank. I happen to have a little water over here. And it says, fill, unplug, open the water tank cover and fill with tap water to the max level. The max fill shows right here on the back. So here is max fill. So there's the max fill right there. So I can close this up. And then it says set it up. Now I need to plug it in. Plug in and select fabric setting. Press standby button. Light will go from red to green and the white status light will pulse as it is heating. So let's plug it up. Now this plug, the red light came on. Plug in and select fabric setting. Press the standby button. Light will go from red to green and the white status light will pulse. From red to green. Iron is ready when the white light stays on. The white status light will pulse as iron is heating. So the iron is heating. It's ready when the white light stays on. All right. So if the white light stays on, we'll grab some fabric. Have some fabric right here. Let's try to, there it is. So the status must mean that it is ready now. And let's see how long it takes to iron. Oh, that was quick. It's just as good as the larger iron that I have by Oliso. Let's fold it across and get the rest of the wrinkles out. Okay, so it looks great on that fabric. I have another fabric I'd like to try, a bigger piece here, that I'm going to be using for a project shortly. Let's get a little bit of the wrinkles out of it. It's the cutest little iron, I tell you. Okay, it's working out fine. So the settings, it has a low temperature for synthetic fabrics, medium for wool and silk, and high temperature for cotton and linen. All right, we have cotton here, so let's turn it up to high. And then it has a dual burst system. So after you fill the water and allow the iron to heat up, the solid status is shown here on the steam. And for the dual steam, it says burst works with horizontal and vertically. Wow. It's a good amount of steam for this little bitty iron. Press the left button. Pressing the left button makes steam at the front. The right button makes steam at the rear. Push both together for extra burst. All right, there's my extra burst. Here's the left for the front. It's working well. And right. All right. This is pretty cool. What else I want to tell you about? The Pro Light. The Pro Light eliminates the detailer tip in fabric, making it easier to see when pressing your projects and ironing clothes. Pro Light comes on automatically when the iron is in use. It switches off and standby when vertical. All right, there you go. Show another little corner here. I have a video on my other Oliso iron that I own, the standard size one. And it works well also. This is really doing good with getting those wrinkles out. Some of my, oh, that really got the wrinkles out. Some of my fabrics are kind of hard to iron, even though they're good cotton. This is a really good cotton. But it sometimes gives you a hard time getting out the wrinkles like this. Let's see what happens when I hit it with steam. I'm used to my really long cord. The cord is long. I mean, the plug is pretty far away, but it's not as long as a standard Oliso cord, which what you expect from a mini iron. This will be great when I start my quilting classes. I can just pack this right in. Take it with me. Wow. It is really hitting those wrinkles right out. I like it. They're hard to come by. I've been trying to find one for, it has been a couple of months. I stopped at a store around about 30 minutes away, and they didn't have one. But they did offer to order. Most places will offer to order you an iron or whatever it is, product that they carry, but may not have it in stock. But if they're a dealer of that certain iron or product, they will definitely order for you, which is great. I have a store in Birmingham that I can call them up and get whatever I need. They're really great. Oh, this is nice. So that's it. That's it. So now I'm going to unplug it and let it cool off. And I'll wrap the cord. As they say, it has really good instructions on everything that you need to do. Oh, that's a nice thing. It's really nice. Let me show you the steam holes are really nice for a small iron such as this. And these are all the functions. Boy, I love the cute colors. Oh my goodness. I could just have my whole room in these colors right here. Great. So I'll unplug it and I'll use it a few more times and let you know how I like it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about the irons, leave me a message in the comment box. Down where the description is, I'll put more information on if you're trying to find one, where you'll be able to find one also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.